Let's see. Oh, wow. Hey guys, my name is Zach, and today on Fitness Fabrication, we're gonna be taking a page out of Coach Greg's cookbook. We're gonna see how many Coach Greg protein bars I can eat, but not just bars, really more like batches. I'm gonna be eating them right out of the pan. So what page are we taking out of Coach Greg's cookbook? Well, to be exact, it's page 59, Coach Greg's Skor bar recipe. To avoid flavor fatigue, I'm gonna try to eat the French vanilla bars that I've actually ended up making as well to try to mitigate flavor here. In anticipation that I'm only gonna be able to finish 3 batches, that's all I've made. I've never tried Coach Greg's Skor bars, so this should be a pretty good experience. The calories per serving do vary a little bit from Coach Greg's just because I needed a little more whey in each one of my batches to make the consistency the same as his, because I'm using a different kind of whey. The calories in the French vanilla protein bar are 3,550, and the calories in the Skor bars are 2,255. Head down to the comments section right now and tell me how many batches you think I can eat, or how many calories that I can consume in one sitting. Remember, these are Coach Greg protein bars, not just your average run-of-the-mill Quest protein bars. While you're at it, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. I suspect I'll be able to finish at least 2 batches. I'm not sure about the third. Everything's really up in the air, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, let's get started. Let me go grab the protein bars. Let's see. Oh, wow. Less chewy than others. I need something to drink.
Sustainable. We're going to go over in detail the diet. What changes could he make to make it sustainable? What is it?
Yeah. It's not too late to turn around.
Every morsel counts, even though I'm just going to have the most fattiest meat I can find to have much higher calories, and the most eggs, and the most calorie-dense foods, so that I can just
time to switch to vanilla.
Regulars are circulation support, so the blood flows.
Sense. Plus calories. He's going to train. If it wasn't for those Rice Krispie treats, he'd have no energy. I mean,
wow.
He hardly is eaten by now, and he's clearly going to burn what?
I'm so hosed.
Did you not even get through like a third of the other one?
No, I made it halfway through. Supposed to do a lot of it in one trip. I'll go grab the Skor bars again. I'm already getting full, and half a batch is only half a batch and whatever I ate off of the vanilla. We're talking probably 2,000 calories, maybe a little under, 1,500 calories. And I'm already very full. It's very satiating. There was no way. There was no frickin' way. I saw the Iron Musket do a whole batch. I don't even know how he did the whole batch. Granted, I'm drinking water, but if I didn't, I'd be dying right now. Yeah, that's probably why I'm full. Oh, it tastes really good, but everything in moderation.
That's pretty funny. He was telling me that last night.
So I find it funny, for the same amount in cake, I was able to eat a lot more of this, and I feel way more full. The problem is I'm also dying for regular food as well. My stomach is like, bruh. But the crazy thing is, I haven't eaten a lot. So, not much. And there's no way I could eat more. The funny thing is, the amount that I ate in this batch would probably be like, I guess it would probably be 3 bars and cut it. I also had a little bit of the vanilla. And yeah.
I think you underestimated how full the fiber was going to make you in bars and everything.
I think that's the real problem. This is just so much fiber. Well, it's not a problem. See, I'll probably be full until like 6 o'clock today. It's only like 3 bars worth, maybe 4. We're gonna do the math here. Even though this video has unbelievably taken a turn for the worse, I know it was bad to doubt Coach Greg. So we're at 1,727 calories, and I feel like I'm dying.
You're sub 2,000. You didn't meet the challenge that you wanted to do. People don't always want to see you win.
So, let's see. I seriously underestimated the amount of food that these batches would be. It's a lot of food. I know 1,700 calories is generally a lot of food anyways, depending on what meal you have, but I mean, if I went to Wendy's and I got 1,700 calories or 2,000 calories in food, I could probably down both of those meals. It was no problem. Like, I don't feel like I could eat any more Coach Greg protein bars right now. So guys, unfortunately, I'm not sure if I let you or Coach Greg down, but I tried and I failed. But at least I tried. One thing we did learn is the fact that Coach Greg's diet, again, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Coach Greg's diet, it's huge for losing weight and for staying satiated. I mean, like I said, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to go until mid-afternoon with how full I am right now. So, guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more content. I love doing this kind of thing. Unfortunately, my stomach is not as big as my eyes, but like and subscribe so you can see the next video that comes out. And, you know, as always, take care. As opposed to a cracked out Jabberwocky. That'll be demonetized, and I'm not even monetized. That'll be.
Have a hard time getting monetized.
It'll be demonetized when I get monetized. Zach, welcome to Fitness Fabrication.